your city, fucking your hood up.
Saw the 100 balls of Zyra at the freeway. Double back with a little E-way, this a replay. Number muffins, ice and gas like the speedway. Told my O to come outside, let's have a three-way. Trapping like it's 2010 on the block with 90 scripts. Type of nigga that bust a wrist, dog. I barely like the bitch. They act out as Christmas trees, Santa Claus, we lighting shit. Diamond kissing, nice and rich. Bitch, I got all type of shit. Stomach hurting, drunk and leaning like 3 weeks. I need a fix from the 6. I got paper like the lines, we really rich. Thought him lacking at the game, was off his end when he got blitzed. 100,000 on me in fives, and half a man when he saw Crip. Dry the culling like a striker, dry my rape like it's a vet. Niggas fake ain't never stepped. Hit your face for a little check. I get top when I be sleep, tryna take me a little rest. That bitch clutching in my hand, ain't got no safety or no belt. I don't even care about none of this shit. When I get hot, she like to pop. Niggas bags got low as dry. Number water, I can mop. I don't even talk unless it's money. That's why it's dog shit every topic. I can put dogs in every pocket, and every car come with a rock. The niggas still broke, just like back then. Ain't got a sell though. The rap check big, take them to 09. We was getting act back then. Was getting tax back when we had the fat stack 10. Half the shit they got no need. Sell them niggas pack red. Before we had the Zoss and by the bell, I had the trap mids. 30 rounds of Mac 10s. Red Forges, black bins. Stuff until she packed in. Our muffins made a half min.
Lunch crew comes.
Yellow, look, switch my own shit up. Look, went to LA just to work with Big Hit. Bitch, pussy always stank, so I call her Big Fish. It's a drought on Wakart, so I gotta sip Trish. I heard Tyler got that water, bae, I'm trying to get drenched.
I need the water right now.
But we friends though, Kelly Black badge, I can't fit inside the Lambo. Niggas ain't touching no money, like your hands broke. Nigga don't take care of his kids, what you stand for? I remember carving my name in the kilo, seeing schoolboy lost weight, got me fucking with the keto. In New Jersey with a Frico, ride Robert to Finito, take my soul through my pee-hole, to get lost when she deep though.
Nah, for real, where my dick at?
Give me the jerk salmon, hit her all night, off a field, call it per damage. I need to go to rehab, I'm a shirt bandit, caught my look, and I'm still about it. Granny mad, I still trap, fuck how she feel about it. I'd take the BBL or a real body. If I was a Leah daddy, bitch, I would've killed Robert. Yeah, R. Kelly. A 60 Trisha turned a Sprite to a dark Pepsi. Riding in the whip full of shooters, yeah, the car's zesty. And you know the coochie good if her car messy. Lost my best eater, man, that shit feel like my heart left me. Need a replacement. Next year I might pop out on Drake shit. The best hoes pop a pussy on the date shit. Al Green out in person made me hate green. Balls of Zyra at the freeway. And double back with a little E-way, this a replay.
Number muffins, ice and gas like the speedway. Told my O to come outside, let's have a three-way. Trapping like it's 2010 on the block with 90 scripts. Type of nigga that busts a wrist, dog. I barely like the bitch. They act out his Christmas tree. Santa Claus, we like shit. Diamond kiss and icy wrist.